This is the park. There's the castle. I know everyone's asking, well, what does it look like with the lights on? There's what it looks like with the lights on. I know you can't see. Hang on. There you go. I still can't see it. It's blurry. I know. I don't know why. There's Main Street Station with the lights on. Why it's blurry, I don't know. It's really pissing me off. Turn that off. We don't need that on. There's the castle. There's Matterhorn. Back behind the speaker, I don't know why there's a speaker on there. Oh, because for cats. Is it's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a it's a small world after all. It's a small, small world. Remember I said I was building the Grand Canyon diorama? See if we can get you a view of it. Nope, keyboard stands in the way. Let's take this out of the way so you can see it. Can't tell what you're looking at. I see a lion, a mountain lion. And there's welcome to the Grand Canyon. It's a mighty long drop down there to the bottom. Way down there. And there's the happiest place in the world. Space Mountain. No Utopia, but I do have the subs. Well, you can't see them because Space Mountain, for some reason, is sitting on the subs. Put Space Mountain up here in the ocean. Nemo's subs, and the original subs, and there's even 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea sub. Like I said, there's Small World. This is the glass for the when I get it put in. Trains. What happened? We got a dead battery? Well, they were working. Now they're not. Well, I've got dead batteries, that's why. Yeah, it's dead. But there were lights on the front of the thing there. I have my lights here. Hopefully these are orange. Well, they may be white. Those will go along probably Small World. Really wish this would clear up so you guys can see it.